Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to tell you guys exactly how to pick the best HVAC Facebook ads for your business. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen right now and actually show you guys in depth how to pick the best ones and which ones I would personally use if I was running an HVAC business myself. Okay. So let me pull this up here and get this going. Okay, for the HVAC Facebook ads, you want to have a very simple ad copy. The ad copy, which is the text, all that's supposed to do is just guide the person to your phone number and have them call you. So that's all we want the text to do is just guide them. The image is the thing that we want to be very eye-catching and to grab their attention. So the text is just for information purposes. So less text and more evidence. That's kind of the gist of it. You want to have your image really good. Your text needs to be really simple, straight to the point, exactly clear and simple of what you do. Okay. So that's what we're doing here. Let's scroll down here. You can actually go to the same facebook.com/ad/library. I say this in like every single video, but you guys can literally go to this website and type in HVAC or HVAC, and you can see other people's ads that they're running. Okay. So these are all started January 17th, January 3rd. So these are actually really recent ads. So don't take just take these with a grain of salt because a lot of these ads probably aren't working because they just started them. They don't even know if they work. They're just kind of testing them because they've been doing Facebook ads for so long, probably they just, can spend money like that. But the very first ad here though, it's pretty simple. Also, emojis are a big thing. Make sure you guys use emojis to really simplify your text with emojis. That's another key trick to do. They don't have emojis in their headline right here. So this is called the headline right on the bottom here. You want to put emojis in the headline as well. Just a little tidbit. They don't have that. Act fast. These offers are only available for a limited time. 100% satisfaction. You can do a thing like this. I recommend putting your services. You can also do this. Test both of them out. It doesn't hurt to test both those out. Do not hesitate to call or visit our website. Book now or call us to speak with a trained expert. Okay. So they put their phone number at the very end. That's exactly what you want to do. Do not just take this part out with the website stuff. Okay. No one's literally going to go to your website because if your phone number is right there, they don't need to go to your website. Your website's another tool to use as irrefutable evidence, but they can just click on your page right here and it'll take you right to your website. So they don't really need to go to your website in order to get closed on a sale. All they need to do is just call this phone number. So all you have to do is say, call the phone number. Because if you're telling them to go to the website and you're telling them to do a phone call, they're just like, pretend they're kindergartners or pretend they're like, in first grade. They're kind of just on Facebook, looking on there. You want this to be as simple as possible, guys. You don't want to tell them to go to your website and call your phone number at the same time. Otherwise, they're like, I don't know what to do or something like that. So just keep this stuff real simple, guys. Your text is supposed to just be simple. Do not say this part. Just say call or text this phone number and then put your services, or you can also do this style where you put your satisfaction guaranteed. I like to put the services instead though. And then this time I usually say, hey, and then your city, exclamation mark. So say, hey, your city, which mine would be St. Louis, and then say, and nearby areas. Okay. So if anyone's in the nearby areas or in that city, they're going to look at this ad. They're going to see your services. They're going to see the phone number. They're going to call the phone number and they're going to get help. Okay. They're not going to go through this ad and then be like, oh, should I go to the website? Should I call the phone number? I don't know. We just want this to be real simple. And then also the emoji in the headline helps as well. So that's a little breakdown of my style on Facebook ads, just a little hint there. Also, your picture needs to be just like this guy right here. See how this guy is just looking at the thing, and then the air conditioner is in there, so you can definitely clearly tell this is an HVAC ad. Okay. And then you want, you can do this style where it's natural looking away from the camera. You can also take a picture with the customer smiling, a thumbs up or something like that. Both of those do work. Okay. So it's all I want to show you guys in this video. Stay away from the video ads as well. Those are way too hard and complex. Better just to cut those out in general, unless you're like a huge company. But anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video on that. Hopefully this helped you with your HVAC business, and you guys can start running some paid Facebook traffic to your business. And I will catch you guys on the next video. So see you guys.